Please be aware that the instructions in the following video cannot be undone. Once an item or items have been removed from your price list, they need to be re-added. If you choose to delete your price list, it will be deleted forever and cannot be retrieved by support. Items deleted from your price list are still in your SumoQuote account under the product list. The only thing that gets deleted when you delete an item or a price list is the custom pricing associated with it. Go to Configuration, Account Settings, and find Products and Pricing in the navigation menu on the left. To delete a price list, you can click on the red trash can beside the price list. A confirmation message will pop up. Click on Delete Price List to complete the action. A second way to do this is to click on the Edit Pencil icon to open your price list. Click on the red garbage can beside the name of the price list at the top here. A confirmation message will pop up. Click on Delete Price List to complete the action, or Cancel to stop the action. You will be navigated back to the Products and Pricing page if you delete the price list. If you simply want to remove items from a particular price list, click on the Edit Pencil icon beside your price list. Using the selection boxes to the left, select the items you want to remove. You can select all items by clicking here. Click on Remove Item. A confirmation message will appear. Click on Remove Items to complete the action, or Cancel to stop the action. And that is how to delete or remove items from a price list.